This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Julie Liebler. North End, Oceanside. Immaculate 4-bedroom, 2 and 1/2 bathroom home, just steps to the beach. Bright and open floor plan offers an elevator to all 3 levels, vaulted ceilings, lovely hardwood floors, a family room with a gas fireplace, chef's kitchen, spacious primary suite with an oversized closet and 3 additional bedrooms. Side yard with an outdoor shower, 2 large trex decks, one with an awning offering plenty of shade for lounging and reading, a 1-car garage, and tons of storage. This home is spectacular and loaded with many custom upgrades. For more information, review the details below.